Oh, hey, welcome back to another episode of Let's Get Dirty with the Dirt Man. We are doing dirty chicken tenders. This is a great recipe for your kids and adults because everybody loves chicken tenders. Fun recipe to do with your kids because it'll just be fun to cook with them and show them how to cook. All right, so here's the ingredients. We're gonna use panko crumbs, parmesan, garlic powder, little olive oil. This is just to spray the pan. So chicken tenders here, or chicken breast, you can actually smash those down. And we're gonna use the two different dirts. The original dirt, just a mild savior for anybody who wants a little bit more milder. And then we're gonna get a little spicy over here with some Bayou dirt. So let's get started. All right, let's spray the pan so it won't stick. And then we are gonna open up the panko. And we're gonna put 1 cup of panko crumbs in here, approximately. And then 3 tablespoons of parmesan, because I like the parmesan in here. And some of you are gonna notice, isn't this the exact recipe for the dirty panko fish? It actually is, same recipe. So you can use it on fish, or you can use it on chicken tenders. And that was about a tablespoon of garlic powder. And now we're gonna do the original dirt. That's gonna be about a tablespoon of original dirt. And here I'm gonna put a little bit more just because I like a little bit more. Let's close it up. And let's shake it. Really good. Going right with the music. All right, this is mixed in really well. Now I'm gonna take some olive oil. And then I am going to coat the chicken. Mix this up. And we're going to take these right inside here. All right, just finished washing my hand. We're going to close this up. And we are going to shake it really good. This will be fun with the kids. Make sure the coating gets all over the chicken. Oh, it smells so good too. And then this was made with the Bayou. I don't think you need to see me do it twice. Take these out. I'm going to put these the opposite way so we know which ones are which. I just love panko crumbs. I like it a lot better than breadcrumbs. Just a nice crispy crust on there. Alright, and we're going to put this in the oven at 375. Hey, the dirty chicken tenders are now out. They came out beautifully. We did about 10 minutes on one side, flipped them over, did 10 minutes on the other side. Of course, everybody's oven's a little bit different. You can also use an air fryer. That would also work very well. So this is the original side, this is the Bayou side, and let's try them out. Yeah, look how juicy and tender they are. Now, if you like Chick-fil-A's chicken tenders, you're gonna like these even better. The flavor is amazing. And let's do the Bayou. Oh yeah. Look at that, it's nice and juicy. Teeth do a little dancing. Working with the crunch with the panko crumbs came out fantastic. You're gonna love these, your kids are gonna love them. And try them out next time, and remember, it's always a good time to get dirty.